While Goa is globally celebrated for its heritage, coastlines and hospitality, it is equally a land of progressive public administration and community-driven grassroots development. We are delighted to host this high-level workshop today here in Goa. First and foremost, I express our deepest gratitude and extend a very special welcome to our chief guest, Ms. Geeta Singh Rathore, Director General, MOSPI. Madam, your presence today reflects the Ministry's firm resolve to ensure that central development initiatives are monitored, modernized, and implemented with maximum efficiency. I extend a welcome to you, and we are eagerly looking forward for your keynote address and visionary insights later this morning. I warmly welcome Shri Joseph CF, Deputy Director General, MPLADS MOSPI. Sir, your extensive oversight of scheme progress, monitoring framework, and district level operational realities is critical for resolving implementation bottlenecks. We are grateful for your presence and look forward to your presentations and technical guidance today, sir. I welcome you to the session, sir. A hearty welcome to Shri Vikas Nigam, Director MOSPI. So your sessions scheduled for this afternoon will be invaluable for our implementing agencies regarding the eSAKSHI portal. I welcome you also to the session, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to the technical specialist from TCS who will steer the hands-on sessions on eSAKSHI portal as well as the district planning officers and nodal administrative teams representing different zones. Also, I welcome all the other participants from various states, from the implementing agencies from Goa, and all my colleagues to this session.
The workshop on the MPLADS and eSAKSHI portal is for making the states aware that what are the changes which we are doing in the MPLADS scheme, new guidelines, and the changes that have been done in the portal, and the requirements which each state has to fulfill or the district administration has to fulfill to update the eSAKSHI portal, so that the policies which are there, they can be guided properly, and MPs have a clear view as to what is happening to the projects they have sanctioned.
क्या पॉलिसी है?
पॉलिसी यही होती है कि कहाँ पे क्या प्रोजेक्ट की ज़रूरत किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कहाँ पे क्या है, उसको अगर कोई एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट है तो उसको कैसे हम लोग नए नए प्रोजेक्ट्स दे के हम उसको एट पार विद द अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हम ला सकते हैं।
मैडम, आपका वो जो स्कीम्स है वो थोड़े गांव के लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचता है, इसके लिए आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं अभी इस वर्कशॉप के बाद?
देखिए, गांव तक नहीं पहुंचता ये हम लोग सही नहीं कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो MPLADS स्कीम है ये हर एमपी को अपने इलाके में 5 करोड़ रुपए खर्चा करने के लिए मिलता है इस स्कीम के तहत। तो ये मंत्री और दूसरे MPs ये अपने इलाके में कुछ भी काम करने के लिए पैसा वो कर सकते हैं। Difference is that MPs can sanction any project for their district or their area, and it is presumed that whatever work they are sanctioning will benefit either a rural area or an urban.
Ma'am, what is the current problem that the portal itself is facing?
The main problem in the portal is that it is not being updated. So we are requesting all the states or the implementing agencies to update that portal so that we have a clear-cut picture what is happening at the ground.
I think this workshop for MPLADS for the southern states and UTs in South Goa, and the purpose is that we are implementing this scheme for a few decades, and we have recently changed 3 years before. We have changed into an online implementation with a dedicated portal that is known as eSAKSHI portal. So we last a few years we conducted this kind of focused workshop for all the stakeholders, states and district officials, so that this implementation, the scheme implementations are in line with the MPLAD guidelines, and whatever that compliances that is stipulated in the guidelines are followed, and they are able to use the functionalities which we have developed on the eSAKSHI portal in an effective way, and at the same time to get feedback from them so that our functionalities on the portal can be improved. And ultimate objective is to have an implementation of the scheme in line with whatever be that locally felt need and the requirement of the country, like that align it with the Viksit Bharat Vision 2047. So that this kind of workshops we are keep on doing for a while. That this is for the southern states, and we recently had for the eastern states, and prior to that we had a national workshop. So we are continue to do this, and I hope that everyone that came today will have a nice day and very productive session during the workshop.
So when you mentioned that there have been problems with the portal, what are these problems and how can they be addressed?
Problems like that for the last many years till 2023, the scheme that did an offline implementation, and after that we came up with the portal. So now also then from that moment onwards we keep on giving the trainings and workshops, webinars like that, so that down level the implementing agencies and the district authorities are aware about the requirements on the portal, because they were doing that prior to that they were doing the offline implementation. Now also they are many of them are continuing like that. So what is happening is maybe ground level the work is getting recommended, sanctioned, executed, completed, handed over to the users, but those updates are not happening on the portal. So by that and this data is totally transparent. There is a public dashboard so everyone can access.